Cayenne pepper is a common spice found in kitchens all over the world, but many people don't know that it's also a powerful natural remedy with amazing medicinal properties. Beyond adding flavor to your dishes, this reddish powder has the ability to improve your health in extraordinary ways as long as you use it correctly. In this video, we'll explore how you can get the most out of cayenne pepper's benefits. From stopping bleeding instantly to improving circulation and healing stomach ulcers, you'll learn how to use this spice as a powerful ally for your well-being. Get ready to discover everything cayenne pepper can do for you. Number 1. Stops bleeding instantly. Imagine you get a cut and don't have immediate access to medical care. Did you know that cayenne pepper can stop bleeding in a matter of seconds? This happens because it has the ability to constrict open blood vessels and promote clotting. Although many people are afraid to use it because of the burning sensation it might cause, this effect is temporary and doesn't cause any real harm. On the contrary, applying it not only stops the bleeding but also speeds up the healing process, preventing infections. To use it, simply clean the wound and sprinkle a little cayenne pepper directly on the affected area. Then cover it with a clean bandage. At first, you'll feel a slight burning sensation that will soon fade, giving way to a feeling of relief. This remedy is so effective that even in cases of deep wounds, it can replace the need for stitches in certain situations. The amazing thing is that cayenne pepper doesn't just work externally. If you have a stomach ulcer or some type of minor internal bleeding, consuming it can help heal the affected tissue. This is because cayenne pepper promotes circulation and stimulates the production of protective mucus, which accelerates the repair of damaged tissue. In short, this spice is a powerful ally for emergencies and daily care, so always keep some cayenne pepper in your first aid kit. It could make all the difference when you need it most. Number 2, helps in cardiac emergencies. Cardiac emergencies, like heart attacks, are one of the leading causes of death worldwide. However, there's a natural remedy that can make a big difference in the first few minutes: cayenne pepper. This potent ingredient can be a lifesaver thanks to its ability to dilate blood vessels and improve circulation almost immediately. In critical situations, its quick action can help stabilize the patient until specialized medical attention arrives. When a person suffers a heart attack, blood flow to the heart muscle is interrupted, usually due to a clot in the coronary arteries. This causes the heart to not receive enough oxygen, causing pain and damage to the tissue. Cayenne pepper acts as a natural blood thinner that helps dissolve clots and allows blood to flow again, reducing potential damage. In an emergency, you can mix half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper in a small glass of water and give it to the affected person as long as they are conscious and able to swallow. Its effect is so fast that, within minutes, vital signs can stabilize. This remedy has been documented in numerous cases, showing surprising results. In addition to its use in emergencies, cayenne pepper is an excellent option for prevention. Incorporating it into your daily diet in small amounts can help keep your arteries healthy, prevent clots from forming, and improve overall cardiovascular health. In short, cayenne pepper is not just a culinary ingredient, but a powerful tool to protect your heart. Number 3, heals stomach ulcers. Although it may seem contradictory, cayenne pepper is an effective remedy for treating stomach ulcers. Many people believe that spicy foods are bad for the stomach, but cayenne pepper actually has unique healing properties. Its main active compound, capsaicin, not only improves circulation in the affected area, but also stimulates the production of gastric mucus, a protective barrier that lines the walls of the stomach. Ulcers are usually caused by an imbalance between stomach acids and the stomach's natural defenses. This can be due to bacterial infections, stress, or prolonged use of anti-inflammatory drugs. Cayenne pepper helps restore this balance by reducing inflammation and promoting the regeneration of damaged tissue. To take advantage of these benefits, you can dilute a quarter teaspoon of cayenne pepper in a glass of warm water and drink it once a day. At first, you may feel a slight burning sensation, but this will disappear quickly and be replaced by a feeling of relief. Over time, you will notice a significant improvement in your digestion and a reduction in ulcer-related symptoms. This remedy is not only effective but also safe. Unlike conventional medications, cayenne pepper has no serious side effects and can be used long-term as part of a natural approach to digestive health. If you suffer from stomach problems, consider giving this incredible ally a try. Number 4. Improve circulation naturally. Blood circulation is essential for overall health as it allows oxygen and nutrients to reach every cell in the body. Cayenne pepper is one of the most effective circulatory stimulants out there. Unlike other stimulants like caffeine, which affect the nervous system, cayenne pepper acts directly on blood vessels, helping them dilate and facilitating blood flow. When you consume cayenne pepper, you may feel a warm sensation that runs through your body. This is not only a pleasant effect, but also an indication that your blood is flowing more efficiently. This is especially beneficial for people with circulatory problems such as cold hands and feet or muscle cramps. To improve your circulation, you can incorporate cayenne pepper into your daily diet, either by sprinkling it on your food or mixing it with water. A typical dose is a quarter teaspoon, but you can adjust it according to your tolerance. This habit not only improves circulation, but also supports heart health and helps maintain healthy blood pressure levels. In addition to internal consumption, cayenne pepper can be used externally to stimulate blood flow to specific areas. For example, you can prepare a compress with cayenne pepper and apply it to tense muscles or sore areas to relieve discomfort. Whether you use it internally or externally, cayenne pepper is a natural remedy that can transform your circulatory health. Number 5, stimulates recovery from cold feet or neuropathy. Cold feet are a common problem, especially during winter or in people with poor circulation. For those who suffer from peripheral neuropathy, where sensation is lost in the extremities, cayenne pepper can be an effective solution. Thanks to its ability to get the blood moving, cayenne pepper stimulates dormant areas, bringing warmth and sensation back to the feet. The process is simple. You can prepare a compress by mixing cayenne pepper with a little oil, spreading it on a cloth or plastic, and placing it on the soles of your feet. Then cover with a sock and leave it on overnight. This remedy is so effective that many people feel results from the first application. Cayenne pepper not only helps those with cold feet, but also those who suffer from neuropathy due to conditions like diabetes or the side effects of chemotherapy. In these cases, cayenne pepper stimulates the nerves and improves circulation in the extremities, promoting gradual recovery. If you decide to try this remedy, it is important to observe how your body reacts. In some cases, it may be necessary to space out applications to avoid overstimulation. However, in most people, cayenne pepper is safe and extremely effective in bringing life back to cold or dormant extremities. Number 6, boosts thyroid health. Cayenne pepper doesn't just work on circulation in the digestive system, it can also stimulate the function of the thyroid gland. This small gland in the neck plays a crucial role in metabolism, energy, and hormonal balance. When the thyroid is underactive, cayenne pepper can help wake it up by improving blood flow to the area. An effective method is to apply a cayenne pepper compress directly to the thyroid area. This stimulates circulation and carries essential nutrients to the gland, promoting its regeneration and optimal functioning. This remedy is particularly useful for people who want to reduce their dependence on thyroid medication, always under medical supervision. Additionally, regular consumption of cayenne pepper can complement this external treatment. By improving circulation throughout the body, it also supports the transport of thyroid hormones to where they are needed. If you have an underactive thyroid, consider integrating cayenne pepper into your daily routine as part of a holistic approach to balancing your hormonal health. Number 7, safe natural blood thinner. One of the greatest benefits of cayenne pepper is its ability to act as a natural blood thinner. This makes it a safe alternative to medications like aspirin, which can cause serious side effects like internal bleeding. Cayenne pepper, on the other hand, improves cardiovascular health without any significant risk. When consumed regularly, cayenne pepper reduces clot formation by keeping blood fluid and less sticky. This is especially beneficial for people at risk of thrombosis or stroke. Also, unlike medications, cayenne pepper does not require complex dosage adjustments or constant monitoring. To get these benefits, simply consume a quarter teaspoon of cayenne pepper in water 3 times a day. This habit can be easily integrated into your routine, providing a natural and effective way to protect your cardiovascular system. Number 8, increases energy and body heat. Cayenne pepper is known for its ability to naturally increase energy and body heat. This effect makes it ideal for those who suffer from constant fatigue or feel cold in their hands and feet, especially in cold climates. When you consume cayenne pepper, its active compound, capsaicin, stimulates blood circulation and speeds up metabolism, generating a feeling of warmth that spreads throughout the body. This not only improves your temperature, but also activates your cardiovascular system, promoting efficient blood flow. In addition to providing warmth, cayenne pepper is an ally to increase physical and mental energy. Its stimulating action, although it does not affect the nervous system like caffeine, can help you feel more awake and focused. It's a great option to start the day with vitality or overcome moments of tiredness. To take advantage of this benefit, you can add a pinch of cayenne pepper to your meals, teas, or hot drinks. A simple option is to mix a quarter teaspoon in warm water with lemon, creating an energizing and revitalizing drink. If you are looking to combat the cold or increase your energy naturally, cayenne pepper is a simple and effective solution. Cayenne pepper is not just a spice, it's a powerful ally to improve your health naturally. From increasing your energy to taking care of your heart, its benefits are amazing and easy to incorporate into your daily life. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment with your experience, and subscribe to discover more tips and natural remedies that will transform your well-being. See you in the next video.